In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Framer app. We'll walk through the entire process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Framer or not very tech savvy, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get the installer for either Mac or Windows. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, Firefox, or whatever you normally use. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type in framer.com and press enter. This will take you to the Framer homepage. Give it a second to load, and you should see the main Framer website with their branding, navigation menu, and usually some featured content about what Framer can do. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to scroll down until you find the section that includes the downloads option. You can scroll by using your mouse wheel, your trackpad, or the scroll bar on the side of the window. Take your time and look for a link or button labeled Downloads. This is typically placed somewhere below the main hero section of the site, so you may need to scroll a bit before you see it. When you spot the Downloads option, go ahead and click it. This will take you to a dedicated downloads page specifically for the Framer app. Again, wait for the page to load completely so that all the buttons and options are visible. On the Downloads page, you'll see options to download Framer for different operating systems. The two main choices are Download for macOS and Download for Windows. Make sure you choose the one that matches your computer. If you're using a Mac, click on Download for macOS. If you're using a Windows PC, click on Download for Windows. As soon as you click the correct button, your browser will start downloading the installer file. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes. Once the download finishes, you can open the installer from your browser's downloads bar or from your computer's downloads folder and proceed with the installation. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Framer app and you're ready for the next step, installing it and starting your first project.